ये मैं आपके लिए लेसन बना रहा हूँ। उसमें पहले इंग्लिश की रीडिंग है, फिर फास्ट रीडिंग है, फिर फोनेटिक्स वाली रीडिंग है और फिर उस पोएम का या उस लेसन का हिंदी में अनुवाद है। और उसके बाद जो है हम क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कस करते हैं। इसी एक वीडियो में आपको ये सब कुछ मिलेगा। ओके, हेलो बच्चों, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू read a new poem. The name of the poem is The Little Far Tree. And this is not a poem, it is a story. But first of all, we have to read one lesson, the poem Nose. And here, first of all, word to word, we have to recite the poem. Then, after this, we have to recite it in a good phonetics. Then we discuss the question and answers. Let us start the poem. The name of the poem is Noses. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows, stuck right out where all of it shows, with two little holes where the breathing goes. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and start of my hair, and between there isn't much space to spare, with my nose like a handle sticking there. If ever you want to giggle and shout and cannot think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror and then no doubt you will see how funny your nose sticks out. Helene Fisher. The name of the poet of this poem is Helene Fisher. This poem is taken from our English book. The name of the book is Marigold, and here the poet wants to describe the importance of nose as well as the beauty of nose in this poem. Now we translate it in Hindi. I looked in the mirror. मैंने खुद को देखा, किसमें? मिरर यानी आईने में. And looked at my nose. और मैं आईने में खुद को जब देखती हूँ तो कहाँ देखती हूँ? नोज पर, मेरी नोज को देखती हूँ. इट्स अ फनीएस्ट थिंग, बहुत ही मजाकिया चीज़ है. द वे इट ग्रोज, जैसे वो बढ़ती है. स्टक राइट आउट वेयर ऑल ऑफ इट शूज विद टू लिटिल होल्स वेयर द ब्रीथिंग गोज. और इसमें दो होल्स हैं और वो वहाँ दिख रही है, जो वहाँ दिख रही है वहाँ से मेरी जो है सांस अंदर जाती है. ब्रीथिंग गोज. आई लुक्ड इन द मिरर एंड सा इन देयर द एंड ऑफ माई चिन. और मैं देखती हूँ कि मेरे ये गालों की आँख ख़त्म हो रही है और मेरे हेयर्स की यहाँ से वो स्टार्ट हो रही है. बिटवीन देयर इजंट मच स्पेस टू स्पेयर विद माई नोज. यही मेरी नाक की जगह है, इतनी इतनी. लाइक ए हैंडल स्टिकिंग देयर. और वो ऐसे लगती है जैसे लाइक ए हैंडल. आपने देखा हैंडल को इधर उधर कर सकते हैं. इफ एवर यू वॉन्ट टू गिगल एंड शाउट, जब आप गिगल करते हैं और चिल्लाते हैं, शाउट मतलब चिल्लाना. एंड कैन नॉट थिंक ऑफ वॉट टू डू इट अबाउट, और सोचते हो कि इसका क्या करना चाहिए. जस्ट लुक इन द मिरर एंड देन नो डाउट. और जब आप चेहरे में खुद को देखेंगे तो आपका जो संशय है, जो डाउट है, वो ख़त्म हो जाएगा. यू विल सी हाउ फनी योर नोज. आप देखेंगे कि आपकी जो नाक है वो कितनी अच्छी है, कितनी मजाकिया है. स्टिक आउट. Now, children, we have to change the phonetics, okay? The name of the poem is I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing. The way it grows, stuck right out where all of it shows, with two little holes where the breathing goes. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair, and between there isn't much space to spare with my nose, like a handle sticking there. If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror and then no doubt you will see how funny your nose sticks out. The name of the poet is Helene Fisher. Now we discuss the words. First of all, we discuss the question and answer. Why does the poet feel that the nose is our funniest thing? Because it grows from here to chin and it has two holes and it helps to breathe. Why is your nose important for you? The same answer is there. It's the funniest thing and it helps to breathe. Okay, breathing means intake of oxygen given out of carbon dioxide from these two holes of our nose. Does the child in the poem like her nose? Yes, she likes her nose. Why do you think so? Because she tells us that her nose is funniest thing. Describe a few funny things you have seen. Do they make you laugh? Yes. Some of the things are like making different faces in front of others. Why does features means? Look up the dictionary. What does features means? Features means features होते हैं उसके हाव भाव, इमोशंस से रिलेटेड है. फीचर्स जो है उसका आकार प्रकार हो सकता है. ओके. The kind of features of people we can across in the world. So many types of features of people we can see in the world. Like if we see the South Africans, they are black in color, but their facial expression is quite good. If we see the Chinese, then they have very small nose. Now let's sing. Sing this song and march as you sing. When you come to Ginger, take 2 steps back and say 2, 3, then start again. There was a girl so tall and thin and fair. Her hair was the delicate shade of ginger. This is tongue twist poem, so we have to revise it for many times so our tongue will be good. Sit in group and discuss the following questions. Look at your friend's face and describe what you see. Use the word long, round, oval, slanted, okay, sharp, flat. Like long. He has a long nose. The holes are round, oval shape. I have seen one egg in an oval shape. Slanted. I see the slanted sliding in the garden. Sharp means A warrior sharp his sword. Flat means plain. What is your favorite fruit? Describe it in 5 lines. Means my favorite fruit is mango. Its color is yellow, and it is a very we can make mango juice from it. Okay, it is a king of fruit. How does it smell? Sweet. How does it look? A big one. How does it feel? It feels like a king of the fruits. When you bite it, what sound does it make? I think it is chom. What does its taste? Its taste is sweet. And breathing exercise. It is one of the yoga exercise you have to do at your home. Okay. Let us write. Do you know the fish breathe from its gill? Write 2 sentences about the animal which can breathe under the water. Like octopus can breathe under the water, and snake can also. Punctuate the following passage. Mother. First of all, our passage starts from mother. So mother, M is capital letter. Mother, father, Neelam. Neelam is the name of a girl. So name of a girl start with capital letter. Said, I always in capital letter. Have got a fire engine. I have. So we have to put a little bit apostrophe over there. Got a fire engine. Now what? What? Capital letter. What's this called mother? Somewhat confused by the noise. I have got the fire engine. Mother, come and see it. So we have to put the full stop. Okay, and somewhere comma, and we have to start the name or the starting word with capital letter. Okay, using a red pencil, choose and circle the things whose smell like you like. Now with a blue pencil, circle the things you don't like. Okay, I like to smell petrol, rose, chocolate. Okay, but I do not like to smell shampoo, rotten fruits. Okay, you have to write according to your own choice. Okay, what is it? Tall ears, twinkly nose, tiny tail, and hope he goes. It is rabbit. What is he, can you guess? I feed him carrot and water scare. His ears are long, so it is I think it is rabbit. Answer is also given there. Write 3 pairs of words that rhymes with each other. From this, or maybe you just take this poem as a paragraph. So nose goes, is it? Gas, wateress. So now this lesson is over. So you have to read it very carefully and write down all the question and answers in your copy, and you have to show it to your teachers, so they will make you correct. Okay, that is all about lesson. Thank you so much.